How to fix Instagram black screen. Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen easy and fast. All what you have to do guys is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps and then go to apps right here and then search for Instagram between all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram and after that all what you have to do is just click on force stop and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled. Go back again, click on permissions, make sure also that all the permissions are enabled, and then go to the data usage, do the same thing, everything should be enabled. And the last thing you have to do is open the storage, click on clear data, and that's it. Now restart your phone or turn it off and turn it on again and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.